ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ, നമസ്കാരം. മിഴിയത്തിന്റെ സാരഥി എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഈ ഒരു എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവരെയും സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഇന്ന് നമ്മളൊപ്പം ഇവിടെ ഉള്ളത് ഡോക്ടർ കുമാറാണ്, PhD ആസ്ട്രോന്യൂമറോളജിസ്റ്റ്, വാസ്തു ആൻഡ് ഫെങ് ഷുയി എക്സ്പെർട്ട്, ലൈഫ് സ്റ്റൈൽ ആൻഡ് വെൽനസ് കൺസൾട്ടന്റ്. He has traveled all over the world, met by celebrities, and today he is here to assist you. നിങ്ങളുടെ ജ്യോതിഷപരമായിട്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ വിളിച്ച് ചോദിക്കാവുന്ന ഒരു മണിക്കൂർ ഡോക്ടർ നമ്മുടെ ഇവിടെ സ്റ്റുഡിയോയിൽ ഉണ്ടാവുന്നതാണ്. വിളിക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ 05296113333. അതുപോലെ SMS 3537 ആണ് SMS നമ്പർ. SMS അയക്കുമ്പോൾ NTV എന്ന് ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസും വെച്ച് SMS അയക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരെയും സാരഥിയിലേക്ക് ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ഞാൻ സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. ഡോക്ടർ നമസ്കാരം, മിഴിയത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം, സാരഥിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
നമസ്കാരം.
ഡോക്ടർ, അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ നക്ഷത്രം ഏതാണ്?
Today nakshatra is we call Jyeshta. Triketa, yeah, Jyeshta in Hindi and Triketa in this. Okay, the general characteristics are they are very very mental brilliance, quite analytic. They have very very few friends and quite cheerful and virtuous. Now the favorable things for them are most successful of their family, keeps friends and builds a good support of network, generous, eventually wealthy, takes charge of the family. They respond to the nature very very nicely, receives fame and honors, takes controls and get things done as they want it. They are very very creative, genius, and can accomplish anything they set their mind to do and want to make always difference opinions. Unfavorable is angry, has family problems, too intense for others, self-important, egoistic, hides their feelings and intentions, peaceful. They are dreamers also. They are sometimes impatient and quite dependent for them time to gain control, possessive, and has sometime they have some illness or chronic disease also. They do not stay in one place, they like to change jobs, and above all they have a very very secretive behavior. So this is unfavorable. Now career interest for is they are self-employed, management, military leaders, musician, dancers, modeling, and engineers, philosophers, and maybe some government personnel. So that is for Triketa Nakshatra.
Okay, thank you doctor so much for that. Let's go to the first SMS.
Yeah.
Okay, it's from Nitya.
Yeah.
Date of birth is 23/1/1990.
Nitya.
Yes.
NITYA. Yeah.
23/1/1990 is the date of birth.
Lady, female.
Yeah, Nitya female. Yes.
Nitya female. Okay.
23/1/1990.
Yes. Time of the
Time
birth?
is 2:30 p.m.
14:30 p.m.
Place of birth is Kerala. She would like to know about her studies. Okay, doctor, before we go into this, can we take a caller?
Okay, fine.
Yeah?
Okay, you have
okay,
a
after that
call.
we'll be coming into this SMS. Hello? Hello, good afternoon. സാരഥിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ആരാ ഇത്?
എൻ്റെ പേര് ഗണേഷ്.
ഗണേഷ്, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
10th September
Okay. 1986. Okay, time?
Morning 4 and 5.
Okay, morning between 4 and 5. Okay, എവിടെയാണ് ജനിച്ചത്?
കാലിക്കറ്റ്.
Okay. എന്താ അറിയേണ്ടത്?
ഭാവി, ജോലി.
Okay, would like to know about his future, marriage, job.
Future marriage, job. Okay. Okay. You are Vishik Rashi and Anizam Nakshatra. Hello, you can hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you have Kantaka Shahi going now. It is started on 15/11/11 and it will be up till you can say January 2020.
Okay.
Yeah, and the favorable number is for you your birth number 1 and life path number is 7. 7 is very good number. You can always go for a Navratna pendant, that is prosperity pendant number 7. The dasha which you are going on is presently Budam dasha. I think Budam dasha is okay for you. What you are doing at present?
I'm an IT professional.
Okay, fine. Okay, the dasha Budam is very good. It will last up till you can say May 2019. So
Okay.
yeah, so there is a career growth, not this year but I will say next year. Okay, because this is 2015, it is on number 8. Number 8 will not give you any benefit. Tentatively number 9, that is 2016, can give you very good benefit for your job
Okay.
also, and even for your marriage also. You don't have any Chava dosham, so I think you can get it married easily. Maybe mid of next year is a very favorable period for your marriage. And if you can do some remedies, I can just tell you, you can wear a yellow quartz crystal, a prosperity pendant number 7. Keep a small piece of square silver in your purse, always touching your photograph, and be a vegetarian on Saturday and Thursday. And if you can feed the ants daily, ants are available at the base of every tree, feed the ants daily with sugar and jaggery, at least
Okay.
for 3-4 trees, and even you can water those trees also the same time. So that will give
Okay.
you very good results also. And Anadanam for the ants.
Right.
Every morning you should do this. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you
thank
for
you.
calling. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Alright, doctor, shall we go to that SMS? Nitya?
1 minute. Again I have to write it.
Yes. 23/1/1990.
23/1/1990. Yes.
Yes, place of birth is Kerala, time is 14:30 p.m. Okay, she would like to know about her studies.
Just studies, huh?
Yes.
She's in which grade she is written?
No, nothing is mentioned.
Okay, she is Vrishik Rashi and Triketa Nakshatra, you see. So she has already heard. Triketa Nakshatra, yeah, she has already heard here. The Nakshatra, which career interest actually she has to go. But only thing is that she is going through a phase of Kantaka Shani. Same, it is begin on 15/11/11, it will finish in January 2020. She got even Chava dosham, so she should do the necessary prayers in the native place for Chava dosham.
Okay.
And subsequently she is birth number 5 and life path number is 7. She can go for the prosperity pendant number 5, which will give her good results. She can also keep a small piece of triangle silver in her purse. The dasha which she is going on is presently Shukram dasha up till 2018, August 2018. I think you can get good results regarding the career. I don't see any break in the studies. Only thing, you need a little push or a little proper guidance. You should take care of the friend circle. You can be only guided, that is misguided by your friend circle. So you should take care of that. You can concentrate on the studies, and subsequently at your study table you can keep a pyramid, a green color crystal pyramid and a pyramid ball, a crystal ball of green color and a green color pyramid, that you can keep it at your study table. I think you will never get a break. And even career also, I think you can always after a couple of years your career will be stable at the age of approximately 26 or 27 years of age in this Shukram Dasha itself. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, doctor. That was for Nitya. We
Yeah.
have a caller with us. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, ആരാ
Hello.
സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
I am Ramesh.
രമേശ്. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
Date of birth 4th of 1964.
4th October
1964.
64 ആണോ?
അതെ.
ഓക്കെ, ടൈം?
64.
യെസ്.
Time I don't know the time.
രാവിലെയാണോ ഉച്ചയ്ക്കാണോ ഒന്നും അറിയില്ല?
ഇല്ല.
ആ, ഓക്കെ. നക്ഷത്രം അറിയോ?
ഉത്തരം.
ഉത്തരം. Okay, he doesn't know the time, but he knows his nakshatram. It's Uttaram.
But
എവിടെയാ
is it
ജനിച്ചത്?
morning or afternoon? At least do you know that one?
No, he doesn't know that also.
ഉത്തരം.
Okay, എവിടെയാ ജനിച്ചത്? നാട്ടിലാണോ?
ആ നാട്ടിലെ കേരള.
Okay.
He doesn't know time. yeah?
Kerala. No, he doesn't know the time.
I'll
Okay,
put
എന്താ
morning
അറിയേണ്ടത്?
and just check it out for him. No problem.
No idea.
Okay, എന്താ അറിയേണ്ടത്?
കേരള. ഹീറോ.
ഫോണിൽ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് സംസാരിക്കുക. ടിവിയുടെ വോളിയം കുറച്ചിട്ട്. എന്താ അറിയേണ്ടത്?
Vision and future.
ഫ്യൂച്ചർ ആൻഡ്
The future.
ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ടില്ല. ഓക്കെ, ഫ്യൂച്ചർ ആണ് അറിയേണ്ടത് അല്ലേ?
I want to and also future.
ഓക്കെ, കുറച്ച് ഉറക്കെ സംസാരിക്കുവോ?
I want to know the. Hello.
യെസ്, പറയൂ.
Here, here.
Okay, maybe his future he would like to know about.
That's all right,
Yeah.
because we can't. He said James also. I don't know what he said. Okay, Simha Rashi, correct. Uttaram Nakshatra. He is born in morning.
Position matter. Future.
Voice is breaking. correct?
ബ്രേക്കിംഗ്, അതെ, വോയിസ്
Yes.
ബ്രേക്ക് ആവുന്നുണ്ട്, ക്ലിയർ ആവുന്നില്ല. ഓക്കെ, യു ക്യാൻ ടെൽ അബൌട്ട് ഹിസ് ഫ്യൂച്ചർ.
Okay, whatever it is. Okay, he is correct. Uttaram Nakshatra. Fine. And yes, you have Ardha Shani going from November 2014 to October 2017. And the your birth number 4, your life path number is 7, and the dasha which you are going on through is presently Guru Dasha, Vyam Dasha, up till May 2021. Basically, I can only tell you something in general, that you can wear a rose quartz crystal, a prosperity pendant number 7, plus you will have always a short time assignment. Whatever short time assignment you have, you will always get some speed breakers or obstacles in short term assignment. Long term assignment takes really very long for you to complete. This is what it happens. And in near this, I don't see any very good break for your anything career or any business also at the same time. And plus, I would advise you can always presently you have Guru Dasha and 2006 to 15, correct. You can donate some food. Donate food every Saturday. That is very good for you, because Shani is going on. Donate food every Saturday to the poor people, or you can make some parcels, and at least 4 to 5 persons every Saturday donate food. Do Annadanam for the same. And I will also advise you can feed the birds, feed any birds with their food, and even feed the birds with water also. That is also every Saturday you can do it. Even I would advise you can give donation of food and clothes to the orphanage. In this dasha, this will help you, but immediately I don't see any good break in the future for your career. You have to at least wait up till 2017. 2017 January, I think, would be quite favorable for you for the same. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, doctor, for that. We have another caller with us. Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, hello, good afternoon.
Yes, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
എൻ്റെ പേര് സോബിൻ ആണ്.
പേര് ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ടില്ല, ഒന്നുകൂടെ പറയോ?
സോബിൻ.
സുബിൻ. ഓക്കെ, ആരെക്കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്നെ
ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
4th January 1986.
4th January.
സോബിൻ.
ടിവിയുടെ വോളിയം കുറച്ച് വെക്കോ?
എന്തോ?
ടിവിയുടെ വോളിയം കുറച്ച് വെക്കോന്ന്.
ഓക്കെ.
4th Jan 1986.
4th January
അതെ.
1986.
ടൈം എപ്പോഴാ? സമയം എപ്പോഴാ?
Please.
12:15.
ഉച്ചയ്ക്കോ? മോർണിംഗ്?
അല്ല, early morning.
AM. Okay. 12:15 AM.
So is it third night and fourth morning?
No, 4th.
അല്ല, 4th മോർണിംഗ് ആണോ? 3rd നൈറ്റ് 4th മോർണിംഗ് ആണോ?
4th morning.
ഓക്കെ. എവിടെയാണ് ജനിച്ചത് സുബിൻ?
ജനിച്ചത് കൊച്ചി.
ഓക്കെ, കേരള. ഓക്കെ, എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ?
I just current status for now.
Okay, you want to know about his current position, yeah.
Okay. Fine. You are Kanya Rashi, and the nakshatra which
I mean-
is yes is Atam.
Yeah, I think Dino.
Atam nakshatra. As per the details being given by
അത്തം
you.
ആണോ? അത്തമാണോ നക്ഷത്രം?
അർത്ഥമാണ്.
ആ.
Okay, fine. Okay, you had Kantaka Shani going, which is just finished in November 2014. So it's good news for you that 2015 will be quite better for you. In last 7.5 years, you must have struggled quite a lot. You must have even lost a lot of money on trust, and subsequently lot of obstacles also must have happened. Your birth number 4, life path number is 2, and the dasha which you are going on presently is yeah, Guru Dasha, Vyam Dasha. So I think the period is good because Shani is also finished 7.5 years. It comes once in 30 years, and you have Guru Dasha which will be up till May 2030. So I think the is quite favorable period also, and even you can also enter into business into next year. Next year business possibilities or opportunities will also come to you. You have to just grab them. I will advise you, you can go for a yellow quartz crystal, prosperity pendant number 2, and keep a crystal pyramid at your head side, bed side at night, always. And plus on Thursday you should eat something yellow. Also donate something yellow color on Thursday.
Okay.
And on Thursday just observe that do not give loan on Thursday, you will lose money. Avoid haircut, avoid nail cut, and avoid shampoo. And at home also do not wash clothes. Tell people, tell your home people, family, that please do not wash clothes on Thursday.
Okay.
Okay, I think if you observe this, not this year, but I will say next year will be quite favorable for you for growth, opportunities, and success. Okay,
fine.
thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, thanks a lot, Subin. All right, doctor, shall we go to another SMS?
Okay.
It's from Ruby.
Yeah.
Date of birth is 26/4/1960.
Yeah.
Time is 5 a.m.
Okay.
Place is Kerala.
Yes.
She would like to know about her future health and when her daughter's marriage. She would like to know when her daughter will get married, and she would like to know the lucky stone and lucky number also.
But she has given her details, no?
Yes. She would like to know about her future health, also her daughter's marriage.
Her daughter's marriage cannot be.
Okay, you can
calculated.
tell her about her future
Yeah,
and
future
health.
and the gemstones she also.
Okay, yeah, gemstone and
Okay.
her lucky number.
Oh yeah, lucky number I'll tell her. She is Mesham Rashi and Ashwati Nakshatra.
Okay.
And in Ashwati Nakshatra presently, yes, Ardha Shani, small Shani is going on, which is started in November 2014 and which will finish in October 2017. You have got even Chavadosham, but at this age I don't think Chavadosham will affect you, so do not worry for any necessary prayers. You are birth number 8 and your life path number is 1. When you total up, you are 1. So if you total up, your lucky number will be 9. Day will be Tuesday. Color is maroon. Excuse. Even you can go for the prosperity pendant, Navaratna pendant with number 9 in silver. The stone which is quite favorable for you is first is yellow sapphire. Yellow sapphire to be worn in your right hand index finger. Excuse me. And even coral, you can go for a coral also to be worn in gold in the right hand ring finger. The dasha which you are going through is presently Rahu dasha. So you have Rahu also and Shani also at the same time. I don't think, I will just tell you, you cannot expect any good news in this period. So I don't know about the daughter's marriage because with your Jatakam it is difficult. But I can just say that with the dasha what you are holding, at least for this year it is not at all possible for any good news. And do not go for your daughter's marriage at least for this year. I think next year will be very good for you because 2016 is again 9 number. Your favorable lucky number I have told you is 9. I have told you about the gemstones, and Rahu Dasha is there. I will tell you for Rahu Dasha, do not accept any electrical goods as gift. Keep a triangle piece of square silver in your purse, plus drink water in silver glass, and whatever electronics you have which is not working at all, anything, a mobile, tab in the kitchen also, any electronics not working, either throw or repair. This would give you good benefit from the circumstances what you are going through. Thank you.
താങ്ക് യു ഡോക്ടർ. അപ്പം റൂബി ഒരു SMS-നുള്ള ഉത്തരം കേട്ടു എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. വി ഹാവ് another caller with us, ഡോക്ടർ. ഹലോ, ഗുഡ് ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ.
Hello, good afternoon.
യെസ്, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
എൻ്റെ പേര് ഹരി.
ആ, ഹരി.
I just want to know about my mother.
ആ, ഓക്കെ. ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് ഉണ്ടോ അമ്മയുടെ?
Yeah.
പറയൂ, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
November 26, 1971.
നവംബർ 26.
6th.
ഓക്കെ, 1971. ഓക്കെ.
Time 9:30 a.m.
ഓക്കെ.
Friday.
പ്ലേസ്?
Trishur.
ഓക്കെ. എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ?
About her health and future.
ആ, ഓക്കെ. Like to know about health and future. It's for his mother?
Mother, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, she is Kumbham Rashi and I think Chatyam Nakshatra.
Yeah, Chadya.
Yeah, Chatyam Nakshatra. Okay, presently she doesn't have any Kantaka Shani, Ardha Shani, so you don't have to worry about that. But
Okay.
I will just check the other details. Okay, she is birth number 8 and life path number is 1, and the dasha which she is going on is presently Budam dasha. See, earlier she was going through Shani dasha in the
Okay.
Jatakam for 19 years. So maybe she may be having some health problem, or does she have any bones problem or backache problem?
Yeah.
She has, no? Yeah, she is quite prone to joints problem, bones problem.
Yeah,
you know?
she's having joint problem.
She is having joints problem, correct. This is what I said. In Budam Dasha usually. And did she get any skin disease anytime?
Yeah, skin diseases. Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes
Itching.
skin disease she has got, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, she is going through the Budam Dasha, but the Budam is very weak. You have to energize the Budam.
Okay.
Dasha and Budam is up till 2029. Otherwise, if you don't energize the Budam, she will be suffering the same, and her health will get more weak up till the age of 57, you know, because I told you up till
Okay.
2029 is a
Budam
Budam Dasha.
Dasha.
Yeah, Budam Dasha. Although she doesn't have presently any Ardha Shani or Kantaka Shani. Yeah, Ardha Shani, Kantaka Shani is not there, but only the Dasha Budam which is weak. Earlier she was having a Shani Dasha. So first of all,
Okay.
you can go for a Navratna pendant, prosperity pendant number 1.
Okay.
Okay, keep
So what about the birthstone?
birthstone you want to know. Okay, her birthstone is yellow sapphire. Yellow sapphire in the right hand index finger in gold,
Okay.
and approximately 3 to 3.5 carat. Okay, take a real one,
Okay.
original energized certified one. Plus,
So any remedies?
sorry,
Any remedies?
yeah, I will tell you the remedy. I'm not finished. And plus,
Okay.
she can also go for ruby, which will give her good energy. Ruby is basically denotes to the planet's sun, so she will also get good energy with this ruby. So in the
Okay.
right hand ring finger she can go for ruby. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Plus she should drink water in silver glass.
Okay.
Keep in the north area either rainwater or sea water
Okay.
in some tumbler or in a glass or something, always, you know.
Okay.
You can always replace it. Tell her to wash her feet
Yeah.
at night before you go to bed.
Mm.
Take bath with salt water once a week.
Okay.
Take a sea salt, you get sea salt in the market, mix it in the bucket, take the sea salt, take the bath, and then after that she can take a fresh water bath.
Okay.
Okay, and even once a week she can take neem water bath. You know neem leaves?
Yeah.
Yes, that will also help her to take the this, what you say, neem leaves bath. Okay, to reduce the negative energy.
Okay.
And you know raw ginger.
Yeah.
Yeah, take a small piece every day, and she should keep it in her mouth. Slowly chew it with the saliva.
Okay.
And early morning, as she gets up from the bed, at least she
Okay.
should drink 3 glasses of water, lukewarm water. Try with 1 glass. It is not possible with 3 glasses. What will happen? You know, all the toxins will go off. Digestion system will be clean, and you know, the lubricant or the supplies to the bones
Yeah.
will be in a better way when you release all the toxins early morning. You know, that saliva goes early
Okay,
morning. She
yeah.
has to drink at least 3 glasses, but she can start
Okay.
with 1 glass.
Okay.
Okay, and one more thing, you can she can also drink milk if she is drinking milk with little turmeric.
Yeah.
With little turmeric.
Okay.
I think these are the remedies excellent for you. Even whatever medicines you have been taking, that will also start affecting her more.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So happy for your mother.
Okay, thanks a
Yeah.
lot, Hari.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Doctor, shall we go for a break?
Okay, fine.
All right. ഒരു ബ്രേക്കാണ്. ബ്രേക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഡോക്ടറെ വിളിക്കാം എന്നാണ്. വിളിക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ വൺസ് അഗൈൻ 0529611333. അതുപോലെ ഡോക്ടറെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നേരിട്ട് പോയി കാണണം. ഇഫ് യു നീഡ് ഹിസ് അസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഓർ ഗൈഡൻസ് യു ക്യാൻ കോൺടാക്ട് മിസ്റ്റർ കിരൺ ആൻഡ് ദ കോൺടാക്ട് നമ്പർ ഇസ് 0502724157. ഒരു ചെറിയ ബ്രേക്കിന് ശേഷം ഞങ്ങൾ വീണ്ടും വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും.
സാറ്റർഡേ സ്കൂളാണ്
Oh, good.
പക്ഷെ മമ്മി വന്നാ മതി, പപ്പ വന്ന എന്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് കളയാക്കും.
Bring back the happiness in your life. Gulf Gate Hair Fixing. Look natural. Feel natural.
Watch My Teacher with Dr. Sangeet Ibrahim this Saturday at 5 p.m.
ഗൾഫിലെത്തിയാൽ നാടിനെയും നാട്ടിലെ സുഹൃത്തുക്കളെയും പോലെ ഏറ്റവും അധികം മിസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന മറ്റൊന്നുണ്ട്, നമ്മുടെ നാടിന്റെ രുചി. എന്നാൽ ആ ടെൻഷൻ ഇനിയില്ല. ദൈവത്തിന്റെ സ്വന്തം നാട്ടിലെ സ്വാദ് ഇപ്പോൾ UAE-യിലും എത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നു.
അതെ, നിങ്ങൾ മറന്ന സ്വാദിന്റെ ഓർമ്മകൾ പുതുക്കുവാൻ തേജസ് റെസ്റ്റോറന്റ് അജ്മാൻ.
നിങ്ങളുടെ ആരോഗ്യപരമായ സംശയങ്ങൾക്കുള്ള മറുപടിയുമായി യുവർ ഡോക്ടർ.
Your Doctor, powered by
Orion Healthcare Group near Ibn Battuta Metro Station, Dubai Garden.
Orion Family Medical Center. We don't just cure, we care.
വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു മിഴിയോരം സാരഥി എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഈ ഒരു സെഗ്മെന്റിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവരെയും സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യാണ്. വി ഹാവ് വിത്ത് us today Dr. Kumar. He's astronumerologist, Vastu and Feng Shui consultant, lifestyle and wellness expert. He's here today to assist you. Alright, Doctor, we have a caller with us after the break. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
റസൽ കുമാർ.
ആരെക്കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്നെ കുറിച്ച് തന്നെ.
ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ഡേറ്റ് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്.
Date of birth 10/3/1970.
10/8.
10/3.
10/03.
1970 അല്ലേ?
അതെ.
ഓക്കെ, സമയം?
സമയം 4:05 at morning.
4:05 AM. പ്ലേസ്?
Place കണ്ണൂർ, കേരള.
എന്താണ് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്റെ ജോബിനെ പറ്റിയിട്ടാണ് അറിയണ്ടേ. ഇപ്പം ജോബ് ഇല്ലാതെ ഇരിക്കാം. Either I will get job or I can do some small business.
Okay. Right now he's not work. He's lost his job, so he would like to know if he'll get a new one or should he start a new business.
New business. Okay, you are Meena Rashi and Revati Nakshatra.
Meena Rashi.
Revati Nakshatra.
Revati, yes.
Yes, and you see your Ardha Shani was going on up till sorry, November 2014.
Okay.
Yeah, recently you lost the job or it's almost 3-4 months back?
Almost 1.5 years.
1.5 year. Okay, fine. So you see whatever has happened is Ardha Shani, you know, and that period is already over now.
Okay.
And you have not done any remedies also for the same. That is why you have not got results. Otherwise, if you would have started doing remedies 1.5 year before, I can assure you that, you know, at the end of last year, that is in September, October, November, you would have 100% got a job of your choice. Actually, you have lost that period, but okay, no problem. And your birth number 1 and your life path number is 3. And the dasha which you are going on is presently Chandrama dasha, that is moon dasha up till January 2019. Dasha is also okay presently, but thing is that certain remedies you have not done for the same. So that is why I think this year also would be very, very difficult, because it is on number 8. 2015 is on number 8.
Okay.
Until you start doing the remedies, you will not get the result.
Oh.
And our remedies are basically, like Anadanam or whatever it is. So these you have to start immediately.
Okay.
And once you start, 60 to 90 days, you start getting some results.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. If you want to start business, this year is not good for business. 2015, 2016 is okay for your business. But again, it is very long. The year has just started. We are still in March. You cannot afford to be unemployed for again next 1 year. So
yeah.
I will again start with the remedies now for you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. First of all, you can go for the aquamarine crystal.
Aquamarine crystal.
Yes, prosperity pendant number 3, because your birth number 3 refers to the planet Jupiter. Okay, and I don't know if you can wear Rudraksham. If you can Rudraksham, 10 Mukhi Rudraksham, if you can wear, it is very good for you.
Okay.
10 Mukhi, 10 Mukhi, 10 faced.
Dasmukhi, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Always donate black color things, black shoes, black umbrellas, or black blanket to the poor. If you can sponsor a child education, it is very good. If you cannot, at least try to donate educational books, moral stories books, compass box, stationaries to the children or to the needy. Even here it is possible. Don't wait to go and do it in your place,
Yeah.
And even if you give a gift to somebody, to the child, a compass box, the smile is a blessing for you. The child's smile is a blessing for you. When you get as a gift, even something small,
Yes, yes.
Okay. And one more thing, you can keep also a small piece of square silver in your purse.
Square silver.
Yeah. Even in your north area, I would advise you keep a crystal elephant in water.
Crystal elephant.
Crystal elephant in water.
Okay.
Change the water periodically.
Right.
And every Tuesday and Wednesday, feed the cat. Do not miss out. Feed the cat every Tuesday and Wednesday with the cat food. Cats are available next to the dustbin here.
Yeah.
And the food is available in the proper supermarkets.
Yeah.
I think these are the remedies. If you do Saturday and Thursday, you should be a vegetarian food.
Saturday and Thursday.
Yeah, Saturday and Thursday, be a vegetarian food.
Okay.
And Tuesday and Wednesday, just feed the cat. Do these things. I think just do these things for 60 days. I think you'll get very good results for the same.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You. Bye.
Thanks a lot for calling. Bye. Doctor, shall we go to another SMS?
Okay.
It's from Sanil Abraham Aman. His date of birth is 24/6/82.
24/06/1982.
Yes. His nakshatram is Ailiam.
Aliam.
His time is not mentioned. He's born in Kerala. Want to know about his job, growth, health, wealth, married life, and bad time. A suitable stone.
I think it is, he has not given his time.
No, Ailiam is his nakshatram.
I will just check. I have put some time here.
Okay.
Aliam is Anisam, no?
Ailiam.
Ailiam
is Ailiam only.
Alisha, correct. Alisha. No, he is born late. 1 minute.
Morning.
No, he is not born in the morning.
Okay.
I'll just put late. I think you have to give me the details again.
Okay, it's 24/6. Before that, I think we have a caller with us.
Okay, let us we'll go with the caller because
and then we'll
because
take
again
this SMS,
I have to put 2 or 3 other dates for him.
Okay.
No problem.
All right.
Caller,
okay.
please.
Callerന് ശേഷം നമുക്ക് ഈ ഒരു SMS എടുക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
എൻ്റെ പേര് വിൽസൺ എന്നാണ്.
Prince. Date of പറയൂ, date of birth പറയൂ.
Date of birth 26 May 1974.
സമയം?
സമയം 12:24.
Morning, afternoon?
Afternoon.
12:24 PM. Okay, കേരളമാണോ സ്ഥലം?
അതെ, കേരളം.
Okay, എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ?
നമ്മുടെ ഭാവിയെ പറ്റി അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിട്ടാ.
Okay. You would like to know about his future?
26/05/1974.
Yes.
Okay, Sunday. Karka Rashi. Your Karka Rashi and Puyam Nakshatra.
Okay.
And you had before Ardha Shani going on. It is just finished in November 2014. So good news. You don't have any Shani presently. Your birth number is 8, life path number is 7. So 7 is your lucky number and day is Tuesday, and your color will be light colors. Do not wear dark colors. Avoid dark colors always. The dasha which you are going through is Shukram dasha up till April 2026. Yes. Now what is the question?
April 202.
Yeah, Shukra 2026.
26. Okay.
2026.
Okay.
He would
Yeah.
like to know about his future.
Okay. What you are doing? You are doing business or working?
I'm doing business.
You are doing business, yes. Okay, I think business is quite stable, but not up to the mark as efforts you are putting, because as I told you, you had Ardha Shani up till last year, you know. So I will advise you, you have to do some remedies for your business to grow, and it will take a break only in, you can say, fourth half of this year, that is after October or November you can increase your business. Even in 2017 you can also enter into a new venture, a new opportunity in 2017 from January.
17.
Yeah, 2017 January. You have to take care of your health. You have to drink more water, do some meditation and some breathing techniques, pranayam.
Okay.
Okay, I will advise you, you can for the remedies I will tell you, you can go for blue quartz crystal, a prosperity
Blue
pendant,
coral.
blue quartz crystal, prosperity pendant number 7,
Okay.
and you can donate some food, fruits, or you can say some normal medicines to the old age home. Do not give money, but try to give all these things to the old age home.
Food or medicine?
Yeah, food, clothes or medicines. Medicines mean
Okay.
normal medicines, whatever is or whatever they prescribe also you can give them, donate them. Okay?
So,
Yeah,
I
and
can wear any stones?
Yeah.
Precious stones?
okay, stones, yeah, precious stones I will tell you. You have to be vegetarian on Tuesday and Thursday,
Okay.
and Tuesday do not give loan to anybody.
Tuesday.
Yes, if Thursday you avoid onion and garlic, it is very good for you.
Okay.
And if any assignment is pending for you, any assignment, you know, assignment or any anything is pending, something major which can bring you good break, I would advise you just give up your favorite food or fruit for 43 days. Give up means sacrifice, don't eat for 43
Okay,
days. Sorry, for 43 days, okay? And the stone which you are inquiring me, you have to wear a ruby, a manikam in the right hand, ring finger in gold, and in the left hand you have to wear a coral, a pavalam, coral, a triangle shaped coral in gold in the left hand ring finger.
Coral, which one? This red color or white
Red,
color?
red coral, triangle. Yeah,
Triangle.
yeah, and a Navaratna pendant also I told you already.
Navaratna pendant.
Yeah.
I have this Navaratna ring, you know,
No, I told you Navaratna pendant with number, no?
a 7 number.
Yeah, 7 number, because your birth number 8, you know, 8 again is a number usually, you know, so for obstacles or for slow moving, and this year is also number 8, you know, 2015. To dilute the effect, you should wear a Navaratna pendant with number 7. 7 will be in the center, and it will be a approximately oval shape. Around it will be the Navaratna pendant. If you want any assistant, you can call my assistant, Mr. Kiran, you know, he will also guide you.
Okay. I have another doubt also.
Please, no problem, welcome.
So, for keeping the tables and in the tables on an office,
Yes.
where I can put the table, which corner?
Okay, what type of profession you are in?
I'm in a plastic trading.
Plastic trading. Okay, you should face north. while sitting down on at your table in the office?
Sorry?
You should face north. Face north.
North.
Yeah, you should face north. Wherever you are sitting, you have to check with the compass that you should face north while working at office. And for prosperity, as per Vastu, you should keep a crystal turtle in water. The tail should be in the north side, and it will be a crystal turtle, a crystal tortoise, to be placed in a crystal plate in water. Change the water periodically.
Okay.
Okay?
For the you know, the picture of Jesus Christ or some, so where I can put on the top of my table or across my table?
No, you can put at the back side of your table also, no problem.
Backside of the
Backside of the table also, means backside of you, where you are sitting. Yeah. Or
Okay, so
or
I
in
keep
front,
the table
either
on,
either in front or back, either in front or back.
not the right side.
No, not the right side, not the left side, either north or south.
Okay,
South
okay.
is
So
for
I'll
support.
keep
South is for
north
support.
corner of the room, right? The table.
Yeah, no, wherever you are sitting, no, because I don't know how you will be sitting. How's the placement, you know,
I'm
because
sitting, I think, north corner of my room.
yeah, so you have to face north. Very simple.
I have to
And the
face
picture
north.
which you are saying, either you keep it in front of you or back of you, of the wall. Either way. Either you look it always, or you keep it at back of you for the support. It supports you always.
Okay.
Your
No,
face.
no, the table which I am saying.
No, this way I will not be, because you know this this Vastu which you are asking, usually we do a site visit, and that time we can always prescribe the remedies, you know. On the air it is very difficult for me to picturize where you are sitting, you know. Okay. Yeah. Okay. But I have given the guidelines. Just check the compass and do the needful. Okay.
Okay, thanks
Thank
a lot.
you, bye.
Bye. Well, doctor, we'll go to this SMS that's come, Sunil Abraham.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, date of birth is 24/6/1982.
24/6/1982.
Yes.
Time he doesn't know.
ILM.
Time I will. Correct. 20.
Yeah.
I'll put 20 hours.
Okay.
And Kerala.
Kerala, yeah.
Let me finish it.
Would like to know about his job growth, health, wealth, married life, his bad time and suitable stone.
Okay, Alisha. Okay, he is born late night. Oh.
Okay.
If he's listening, you know, he's born late night.
Okay,
So always he
late
can.
night
Late night means
time.
approximately, I will tell you, 8 p.m. or 9 p.m.
Okay.
Okay, his Karka Rashi, Aslisha Nakshatra, that is Aslisha is again
Ilyam.
in Aryam, yes, correct. Which I have calculated, and presently he is not going through any Kantaka Shani Ardhashani. Ardhashani was going on with you, which is finished in November 2014.
Okay.
Okay, your birth number is 6, your life path number is 5. You can go for the Navratna prosperity pendant number 5, plus you can wear a gemstone. What you have required is what you have requested. You can wear a yellow sapphire in your right hand index finger and a ruby in your right hand ring finger. Both will be gold, and approximately carat will be 3.5 to 4 carat. The dasha which you are going on through is presently Shukram dasha. Shukram dasha is very good, excellent, nothing too much worried about it up till November 2018, and I think I can see a growth at the end of the Shukram dasha, that is 2017 and 2018 will be quite favorable for you. Maybe you can get good job opportunities, or maybe a business offer, you know, and you should always go for it after wearing the stones, after doing the remedies. I think 60 to 90 days approximately you start getting some result or some positive vibrations. I will advise you, you should take a flute, fill it with sugar. Usually fill it with sugar and bury it somewhere where there are a lot of ants. It's like Annadanam for the ants for the whole 1 month. And plus I will advise you, you can keep a fast if possible on Saturday. At night you should avoid, at night always you should avoid white rice. Biryani rice is okay, white rice you should avoid. White milk flavored is okay, then radish, mooli, mulangi and yogurt and lassi. This will increase your financial stability also at the same time. And every Saturday, if as you get up from the bed, do not speak. Keep a silence fast. Do not speak at least for 1 hour every Saturday. That would give you excellent results for you.
Okay, doctor. Thanks a lot. We have a
Yeah.
caller with us. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes, ആരേത്? ഹലോ, നമസ്കാരം. സാരഥിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ആരാ?
Hello.
പറയൂ, പേര് പറയൂ.
Hello.
കേൾക്കാനുണ്ട്, പേര് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
Hello.
യെസ്, ഹലോ.
Hello.
പേര് പറയൂ, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
Sujata.
സുജാത. ഓക്കെ. സുജാതയെ കുറിച്ചാണോ അറിയണ്ടേ?
Hello.
യെസ്, സുജാതയെ കുറിച്ചാണോ അറിയേണ്ടത്?
അല്ല, it's for my husband.
ഓക്കെ, ഹസ്ബൻഡ് ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
3rd August.
ഓക്കെ.
1965.
ടൈം?
6:05.
AM, PM?
No, time is 5:29 PM.
Okay, 5:29 PM. Okay, year of birth 1965 ആണോ?
Correct.
Okay, all right. Time is 5:29 PM.
Yeah, Kerala.
Okay, Kerala. എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ?
ഫ്യൂച്ചറിനെ കുറിച്ചിട്ട്, പിന്നെ ജോബ് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
Okay.
Can he change his job and health also?
Okay.
പിന്നെ ഇപ്പൊ വയർ ചെയ്യണത് എമറാൾഡ് ആണ്.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Okay. She would like to know about his job, if he can change a job,
he's
his
wearing
health,
an
his
emerald-
future, and he's right now wearing emerald stone.
Okay.
Yeah.
0308 1965 1729 Kerala. Okay, his birth number 3. Okay.
Okay.
Tula Rashi and Choti Nakshatra.
Yeah, correct.
And in Tula Rashi, presently I will tell you, yes, Kantaka Shani is going on in Tula Rashi up till October 2017.
Oh.
Yes, that is why I think he's trying his job to change, but it is not happening.
Yes, correct.
He is not getting the job of his choice, and presently wherever he is not getting the compensation as per his
Correct.
efforts, correct?
Correct. According to the qualification.
Yeah, according to qualification and efforts also being put,
Experience also.
yeah, qualification and plus efforts also he is putting very, very sincerely.
Yeah, very much.
But the compensation he is not getting it, and sometimes he is not even getting the credit
Yeah,
for his work, correct? This happens in this Shani Dasha up till October 2017, and it is a Kantaka Shani, big Shani, it comes once in 30 years.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you have to bear. I will tell you the remedies. You will get very good results at the end of this period, and 2017 or 2016 will be excellent for you.
Okay.
His birth number 3, life path number is 5.
5.
Yeah, he can go for the Navratna pendant number 3.
Number 3.
Yeah, Navratna pendant number 3. The Dasha also which is going on presently is Shani Dasha and the Jatakam since 1996. That is why you see lot of his dreams are not being fulfilled. He is quite disappointed.
Yes, very much.
Yes, don't worry, happy days are coming. Up till December 2015 Shani Dasha is going on. Okay, up till the Shani Dasha which I told you is going on for 19 years will finish in December 2015.
Okay.
So before looking at the Dasha also I told you 2016 and 17 will be very good. Before 2 minutes back I told you, before looking at the Dasha.
Okay.
Yeah, so you will get a Budham Dasha in 2016 to 2032. So these 17 years coming up, 17 years will be very good for you.
Okay.
Yeah, so approximately the age of 50 to 67 will be excellent for him. The growth will be there. Presently do not try to change the job because he will not get the job of his choice.
Okay.
Yes, next year is good. 2016 and 17 is good. Just do the remedies whichever I will tell you now.
Okay.
Okay. Now subsequently, as I told you, wear a Navratna pendant number 3. Now you have told me he is wearing a emerald. Emerald he doesn't have to wear. No, he has to wear a topaz. This is yellow sapphire, not topaz, but yellow sapphire in the right hand index finger.
Okay.
And in the right hand ring finger or left hand index finger he has to wear a opal stone. opal stone. It's a white color, a pearl white color big stone which you see a TV serial or lot of film stars are wearing. This is basically to give you the recognition of your work.
Okay.
If you don't get recognition of your work, you don't get another assignment.
Correct.
Or you don't get success.
Yeah.
Even there are a lot of people, they get success, they don't get proper growth. So this will give him success and growth. He doesn't have to wear an emerald, and emerald has not given him results also, correct?
Oh, yeah, correct.
Yes, this he can go approximately for 4 carat.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
It's opal.
Yeah, topaz and opal, both 4 carat.
Okay.
Okay? If he can keep a fast on Saturday, it is okay. Otherwise, you keep a fast. He is doing Saturday? Okay.
Yeah,
You
Saturday,
keep.
Thursday also.
Okay. You keep a fast on Monday for him. Eat one time
that
food.
I am doing.
Okay. I think a lot of things, that means you are doing what I am telling you. Okay. Another remedy is feed the pigeons daily for 43 days.
Okay.
With cherry, yellow moong dal and masoor dal. Mix all these things because you are pleasing the planets as per the color. Yellow moong dal, cherry and orange dal, masoor dal. Mix these dals and give it to the pigeons for 43 days continuously. After 43 days, Tuesday and Saturday.
Okay.
Tuesday and Saturday.
Tuesday and Saturday.
Yeah, Tuesday and Saturday. And plus at night time, he is head of the family, correct?
No, younger one.
Younger one. No, here in Dubai he is the head of the family.
Yeah.
Okay, in Dubai if he is the head of the family, then he should avoid white things at night. White milk, white rice,
Okay.
mulangi, yogurt and lassi.
Okay.
And avoid full black color clothes. Blue color is excellent for him.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and always donate black color things like black shoes, black umbrella, black blanket to the needy. If you don't get to the needy, also to somebody where you can put a smile to somebody. So that will be done as a blessings to you. I think these all remedies you will get good peace of mind within 60 to 90 days, guaranteed. Okay? Thank you. Bye.
Okay, thanks a lot. Bye bye. Well, doctor, we'll go to another SMS.
Okay.
It's from Shruti.
Yeah.
Date of birth is 3/5/1986.
3/5/1986.
Time is 6:05 a.m.
06:05 a.m.
Place is Kerala. She would like to know about her present and future. In the meanwhile, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഡോക്ടർ കുമാരനെ നേരിട്ട് പോയി കാണണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മിസ്റ്റർ കിരൺ you can contact him. The contact number is 0502724157.
She is Kumbha Rashi, Chatyam Nakshatra, and she doesn't have any time now. Kantaka Shani, Ardha Shani.
Okay.
Her favorable number, like birth number is 3, life path number is 5, so her favorable number, lucky number is 5, day is Wednesday, color is green.
Okay.
The dasha which you are going through is Shani Dasha. There is Shani Dasha in the Jatakam, not Kantaka Shani, Ardha Shani, but there is a 19 years Shani Dasha which I just explained for another viewer, you know. Yeah, you have up till May 2032. So I think lot of things will be pending from your side. Present situation will be like you can say your health will be little poor, or you may be feeling weak, you may be feeling disinterest to do any work. Any type of entertainment will be not very good for you. So this is the present dasha. Future, I will tell you, like presently coming this year you have to sacrifice. 2016 also you have to sacrifice. Only at the end of 2016 or early 2017 you can get little good results. Avoid spicy foods. You should avoid spicy foods. I can tell you some remedies for it. She just wants the remedies, correct? No?
Yes.
Yes, you have to avoid spicy foods, and you should always keep away from meat. If you are usually eating vegetarian foods, that is also very good for you. Keep a tiny silver ball, keep a tiny pure silver whole ball, you know, solid ball in your purse always. And even in the northeast direction of your house, you can keep in some tumbler rainwater or a sea water. And plus, if you can do service to the elders, it will be very good for you. And regarding some Annadanam, I think I will tell you that you can feed 8 poor people for 8 continuous Saturday with a vegetarian food once in a year. once in a year feed 8 poor people for 8 continuous Saturday. This you can do it here also. People usually ask me, we have to do in a native place. No, there are a lot of garages, laborers are working, there are constructions are going on. There you can do this Annadhanam, whatever vegetarian food you want to give it as per your pocket, no problem. These things I think will give you, Annadhanam will give you very good results. It's Mahadhanam, Annadhanam. Thank you.
Okay, thank you doctor. So that was for Shruti. നമുക്ക് കുറച്ച് SMS വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് അപ്പം but we are running short of time. So ഈ SMS ഒക്കെ next week doctor വരുമ്പം ഞാൻ വായിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. So wait until next week. Doctor, thanks a lot once again for your being on Video Room today.
My pleasure to serve.
Alright, അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ഒരു എപ്പിസോഡ് വൈൻഡ് അപ്പ് ചെയ്യാണ്. സാറ്റർഡേ വീണ്ടും കാണാം. ഒരു പുതിയ നമ്മളുടെ 3 സെഗ്മെന്റ്സുമായിട്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും വീണ്ടും. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരു ഹാപ്പി വീക്കെൻഡ്. Until then, it's me Sharon. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം. With me is Dr. Kumar.
Nandi Namaskaram.